Hey y'all, welcome back. In our last video, we did a full drive-through tour of Camp Margaritaville in Pigeon Forge, showing you all of the campsites and the layout. If you haven't seen that one, I'll link it below so you can go check it out. But today, it's all about the amenities, and trust me, this place is packed with them. First up, the pool. This isn't just any campground pool. This is a full-on resort-style experience. You've got a large pool, a water slide, and even a splash pad for the little ones. And if you're looking to relax, there's a hot tub with mountain views, perfect for unwinding after a long day in the Smokies. No need to cook for every meal at your campsite here. Camp Margaritaville has its very own restaurant, Finn's Bar and Chill. Whether you're craving a burger, seafood, or a refreshing tropical drink, they've got you covered. They also have a camp store. Now this is my kind of camping. They have a lazy river here. Just grab a float and drift along while soaking in that mountain air. And in the evening there are cozy fire pits all around the resort, perfect for making s'mores or just enjoying the ambiance. For those who like to stay active, they've got pickleball courts, they have a playground for the kids, and even an arcade inside. They also have an adult game room. They've even got a bowling alley. And for my fellow pet lovers, Camp Margaritaville is very dog friendly. They have a good clean bathhouse. And nice laundry rooms as well. Then just behind the bathhouse and laundry area is this pavilion and the kids' playground. Whether you're in an RV or you're looking for a cozy stay in their lodge, this place has options. The RV sites are spacious with full hookups, picnic tables, and fire rings. And if you're not bringing the camper, the lodge has beautiful rooms with all the comforts of a resort. Well, that's a wrap on Camp Margaritaville Pigeon Forge amenities. This place truly has everything you need for a fun, relaxing getaway in the Smokies. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite feature, and if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more RV travel adventures.